How to leave a review on AliExpress. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to leave a review on AliExpress. So reviews are essential because they help other buyers decide whether a product is worth ordering. Plus, you can update your review if needed. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the AliExpress app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the option labeled to review. And after that, you can simply scroll through your completed orders and find the product that you want to review. And you can simply tap the red button that says write a review under the order. And you can rate the product and the services with stars. You can also provide upload pictures of product to show its quality, packaging or any damages, or you can write your honest feedback about the product either in English or your native language. And before submitting, AliExpress offers two privacy options, that is to post anonymously or keep your review public. So simply choose your option wisely. And once you're done, you can simply scroll down and tap on submit feedback. And that's it. Now you have successfully left a review on AliExpress. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.